And this we find in paragraph 15 of his judgment. It's page 5. I don't know if you have, I'll give you a copy of the judgment, but we'll read it out to you. And this is what we've been trying to get clarity from you. The judgment reads as follows. Paragraph 15, the investigating officer in his affidavit stated that the applicant made 2 confessions. The first one on the 19th of June 2020 to a police officer, and the second one to a magistrate in the presence of his attorney on the 24th of June 2020 at Boksburg Magistrate Court. The applicant in his affidavit mentions 1 confession and states that he refused to sign it.
Lana-ke kwendawo-ke advocate Baloyi afunda kuyona-ke uthi-ke inkantolo-ke manje isikhipha-ke isinqumo sayo mayelana naso-ke isicelo leso-ke esasiphambi kwayo esebheli ifundeka ngale ndlela. Umseshi noma-ke umphenyi wecala kuyona kwisona istatimende sakhe esifungelwe uyasho-ke ukuthi-ke ofake isicelo kuney'tatimende zokugonyuluka ey'mbili azenza. Esokuqala sange-19 June 2020 kwiphoyisa, esesibili esesibili-ke kwimantshi ekhona ummeli noma-ke ekhona ummeli wakhe ngeyi-24 zikaJune 2020 kwinkantolo emantshi yaseBoksburg. Umseshi noma-ke umphenyi wecala uyaqhubeka futhi asho-ke uthi-ke umshushisi lokhu bekade bezama-ke ukuthi bakubuze-ke kuwena-ke kule mizuzu-ke ewu-10 no-15 edlule ukuthi inkantolo-ke manje uma ikhiphe isinqumo yasho kona lokhu. Is this not referring to the investigating officer?
No, that is the finding of the court that you only disclose 1 confession and did not disclose the other.
Umphenyi wecala-ke wase esho-ke ukuthi-ke wena-ke kunabantu-ke abathi kunabantu-ke owakhuluma kubona nokuthi futhi-ke kwistatimende sakho esifungelwe sona-ke lesi ukhuluma ngestatimende esisodwa kuphela noma-ke nokuthi-ke futhi wanqaba ukusayinda. Uthi-ke uma ikusho ubaba Baloyi uthi-ke isinqumo senkantolo yikona inkantolo eyafinyelela kona lokhu yikona eyakuthola inkantolo uma ngaba ekugcineni isifinyelela isinqumo sayo.
So in short, Baba Ntanzi, is that you were less than frank with the court during your bail application. You only disclose 1 confession.
Uthi-ke mshushiswa akushoyo ukuthi lana ngesikhathi wenza isicelo sakho sebail awuzange ukhuluma iqiniso phambi kwenkantolo, wakhuluma ngestatimende sokugonyuluka esodwa kuphela. Of which date?
Yes, we have just taken you through the 2 paragraphs and also referred to the record that the 2 paragraphs read together refer to the confession statement before Magistrate Kuronye on the 24th of June 2020.
Siqeda-ke ukufundela lana ne u-14 kanye naye u-16 sase-ke manje sihlanganisa-ke nesinqumo lesi inkantolo eyafinyelela kusona-ke uma ngabe isiqedile ukulalela sona isicelo sebheyile-ke ukuthi lana uma ngabe ufunda-ke lamaparagrafu amabili u-14 no-16 ukuthi khulunywa laphana ngestatimende esisodwa sokugonyuluka ileso esasiphambi kwakhe umagistrate uKuronye ngeyi-24 zikaJune 2020. Uma-ke inkantolo lapha kwisicelo sakho sebheyili isithatha isinqumo-ke yasho nayo ukuthi wena-ke khulume ngestatimende esisodwa kuphela awukhulumanga ngesinye.
Yebo ngiyakuza lokho mfunda kona esangeyiphi date esositatimende mina ngakhuluma ngaso kuya.
Yes, I hear what you are reading out to me, but which statement is that the court is referring to that I disclosed? Of which date?
Yes, well, Baba Ntanzi, we have really treaded through this aspect. We have tried to bring it to attention that if you read the 2 paragraphs together, they refer to the confession statement of the 24th of June 2020.
Sizamileke kade futhi sizamake ukuthi sikutsheleke uma ngaba ufunda itatimende lezi ezimbili ukuthi ziyasho noma sorry ama-paragraph la amabili lana kukhulunywa nge-statement esisodwa ilesi sange-24 June 2020 phambi kwakhe umama uCronier.
Xa ukhuluma lona qiniso apha kubhalwe 19 namanje ngiyasho phambi kwekhosi nazi 19 akubhalanga i-24 Nkosi enkantolo.
No, you are not telling the truth. The date that is written here is the 19th. It's not the 24th. Here is the date, it's the 19th.
Ingakho nje ngibuza phambi kwekhosi mangifundela bakuJonas la ukuthi mawuthi isinqumo secourt ikhuluma ngasiphi istatement lesi wena osifundayo ukuthi ngoba ahambiselana ngapha akubhalanga i-date ngapha kubhalwe 19 siphi kahle kahle.
Hence, I am asking that which is now being interpreted to me by Jonas as to which date does it refer to, because there is no date contained here. Yet on this side, there is a date written which is the 19th of June 2020.
Now, according to you, to which date confession statement does that paragraph refer to?
Ngokusho kwakho ke wena ke uma ngabe ukufunda ke wena ke lana kukhulunywa ngasiphi statement?
Angithi usho sikhuluma ngekuyini yena uthi 24 mina ngithi ngapha kubhalwe 19 ngapha kubhalwe 20.
You are saying to me it's the 24th, yet my response to you is that here it's written the 19th and on this side it's written the 24th.
Mr. Ntanzi, just finally on this aspect, when you read the two paragraphs together, of how many statements, confession statements they talk of?
Okugcina uma ngabe ufunda u14 kanye no16 wena nje u14 no16 ukhuluma ngezitatimende zokonyuluka ezingaki uma wena uyifundela nje u14 no16 ukhuluma ngezitatimende ezingaki?
Mina ngendlela ngibuza ngawuntoleka ngibone la e19.
According to how I heard you interpreting for me, yeah, I only saw one, the 19th.
Kodwa umshushisi yena ukhuluma ngaye24 lezi ezingabhali.
But the prosecutor is referring to the 24th, which is not recorded here.
Yes. Now we are asking you, according to you, Mr. Ntanzi, the two paragraphs of how many confession statements do they talk of?
Manje ke sibuza wena ukuthi ke u14 no16 ngokusho kwakho wena uma ufunda u14 ufunda no16 ukhuluma ngeyita lama paragraphs amabili akhuluma ngeyitatimende ezingaki?
Osenkantolo kukhulunywa nge-9 statement si1 se-19 zika June 2020.
One statement is mentioned here, my lord, of the 19th of June 2020.
Manje ke lapha phambi kwecourt mina ngizwa ngento engabhaliwe phansi ye24 lapha kubhalwe 19 ngithi no24 usithathapho lezo okhuluma ngazo la kulama paragraph ayi2.
But before this court, my lord, I'm being asked about something which is not recorded here, which is the 24th of June. It's the 19th of June 2020 that is recorded. I'm now asking,
Yes.
Where does the prosecutor get the date of the 24th June 2020?
Ngisho kwi-judgment ethi nayo isinqumo esagcina icourt ifinyela kuso akubhalanga date inkosi enkantolo.
Even the judgment that you've referred to, that you are referring me to, there is no date written here.
Manje wena utshela icourt nge24 azikho i24 ibhali.
But you are telling the court about the 24th, yet there is no 24th recorded here.
In summary, Baba Ntanzi, your whole affidavit, paragraphs 14 to 16 inter alia or any other paragraph, of how many confession statement does your affidavit talk of?
Uma singa sithi nje sikufinyezeke lo i-statement sakho lesi esifungelwe noma paragraph 14 noma no16 noma sonke njena sona nje i-statement sakho lesi esifungelwe sikhuluma ngezitatimende ezingaki zokugcina.
Mina ngithi phambi kwenkantolo ngibona i19 zika June ite 1.
I am saying, my lord, I see the 19th of June, one, only one.
Manje ke wena utshela icourt nge24 ziphi 24 lezokhuluma ngazo la.
Now you are telling the court about the 24th. So where is the 24th here?
So in other words, Mr. Ntanzi, you say your affidavit mentions the only one confession and it refers to the date of the 19th of June 2020. Is that your version?
Okushoyo wena ukuthi lana khulunywa ngedate eyodwa kuphela i-19 June 2020.
Lethe ngibuzwa ngani phendula engibuzwa.
It's what you are asking me. I'm responding to what you are asking me.
Please.
Mina uJonas bese yangitolekela bese ngimameke kwekho kanti why wena ubhizi nge24 uyeke iz19 lezi ezibhalwe phansi.
Then Jonas interprets for me, and then I listen to the interpretation. I then ask, why do you then refer to the 24th and leave the 19th that is recorded here?
Mr. Ntanzi, we're asking you, according to you, in your whole affidavit, inclusive of the two paragraphs, how many statements are disclosed, how many confession statements are disclosed in your affidavit, according to you?
Ngibuza wena ke manje ukuthi ngesingawe ngibuza wena mina manje ukuthi siqala la asifanele siqala la kunama page lana awu 5 sona ke kuyona ke lesi statement sakho esifungele uma siqala lapho page 1 3 4 kanye no5 sisonke nje istatement lesi esifungelwe sakho usuhlanganisa nawo lama paragraph amabili u14 kanye no16 zingake istatement ezogonyuluka ekunywa ngazo la ezibhaliwe la kule statement sisonke uhlanganisa nayo u14 no16
ngithenga phambi kokuthi kubhalwe lokhu ze1
I said before the court 1 is written, my lord.
ngase ngiveze inkinga yami lona wena ekhulumayo odukisa ngayo court uthi lapho lokhuluma nge24 ngithi naziphi i24 ngoba kubhalwe 19
I then, my lord, indicated my problem because the state is referring to the 24th. I then asked, where is the 24th recorded? Because here, the date that is recorded is the 19th.
Right, thank you. So you only disclose one confession statement.
Okusho ukuthi la sona sonke istatement lesi ukhulume ngestatement esodwa.
ngikhuluma ngento ebhaliwe ngithi mina ngithe ngicelile ngathi kuphi okubhalwe khona ngepeni kwathiwa kukho mhlawumbe kuzokuba nesiqiniseko ukuthi kuyahambisana lapho okubhalwe khona ngepeni
I am referring to what is recorded here. At some point, I requested or asked, where is the handwritten one? Because I would then have been able to compare or to respond to that. But I was told that it's not here.
Sir, we ask you, in your whole affidavit, inclusive of those two paragraphs, 14, 16, are you saying they speak only of one confession statement? That's all that we want to know.
Esifuna ukwazi nje kukodwa phela ukuthi ke kusona sonke le statement lesi esifungele phecelezi ke i-affidavit lena uma iyonke nje onke lama page la ukuthi ke ingabe ikhuluma ngestatement esogonyuluka esodwa vo
mina ngibona kubhalwe 19 futhi statement
I only see the 19th recorded, which then means it's one statement.
Now, can we move on to a different topic, and that is your level of education?